Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your RAZER Opus X. And let me show the application to you. The first trick is you have ANC, you can enable it in the application or you can use a gesture to enable it. And this is my favorite mod, I use it all the time and I hope you will enjoy it. Also, if you met someone, you don't need to remove your headphones from your head, you just enable transparency mode, it's called ambient here. Again, you can make it by a gesture, by a control, or in the application. Next one, this earbuds, it's a game earbuds, headphones, and you have game mode here. So if you play some mobile games, it would be nice to enable it. And again, you can enable it in the application by press right here at this slider, or you can use a control, and you will also enable it. When you listen to music, you don't need to use your phone. You have controls on your headphones, and you can increase or lower the volume. You can play and pause the song. You can play next track, play previous track, and that's good. If you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer browser. Right here in the application we have it, and actually you can't enable it by controls like previous features, so you need to install it. And right here we have 5 presets for it, so you can choose the best one for you. Also it have bass boost, so I recommend it to use it when you listen to music, and I hope you will enjoy it also. If you have some trouble with your headphones, you can easily perform a hard reset. You just need to press and hold at the same time at the volume up button and volume down button until your headphones turn off. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.